In this video, I'll show you how to get approved inside JVZoo. This is especially important for people who haven't started making any kind of sales inside JVZoo or have just created an account. So after you've selected the product you want to promote, how do you get approved as a newbie marketer? Just click on the affiliate details and JVZoo will take you inside the product creator's profile. You will see here that there is a request permission button. You need to fill out the form to request permission to promote the product. Just like in Warrior Plus, you can tell them how you want to promote this particular offer, your traffic method, details about your list, if any, and you just have to wait for approval. A cool trick to use is telling them that you've been selling in a different affiliate marketplace like Warrior Plus, and you are new to JVZoo, so you already got a list, When I started, I was very honest. I told them that I haven't tried selling as an affiliate marketer, but here's the thing. I'll be selling it. In this video, I'll teach you how to send a broadcast to your list. After you've set up your autoresponder accounts, either Auber or GetResponse, you now need to send a broadcast to your list. This is simple. First, we simply copy the swipe, which is inside the JV page of the offer, which you want to promote. Let's use Auber first, then we'll go to GetResponse. Let's click on Create a Message and go to Drag and Drop Email Builder. They will then load this page where you need to enter your subject line and your email copy. Once you've done that, just click the Save and Exit button and you are done. And as I told you, almost all the offers have ready-made swipes which you can copy your emails from. This is especially true if you're promoting offers from Warrior Plus and JVZoo, since it's a common practice for vendors to include email swipes in their JV pages. Now let's go to GetResponse and do the same thing. First, go to Messages and click on Create Newsletters. Once the page loads, click on New Email Creator and never click on the HTML source editor. You have to fill up the message name and the subject. Then click on Next Step. This page shows you some ready-made templates inside GetResponse. In my case, I just click on the Start from Scratch button, and then I choose First Template. So when the page loads, delete the default template first. Then you can copy your swipe from your source and paste it here. Simply continue with the interface until you hit Send, and you are done. Since it's possible that autoresponder providers would update their technology, some changes in their user interface could occur. Good thing is they usually have their own tutorials as well, so you can just refer to them. I've shown you how to send a broadcast, and the principles remain the same even with the evolution of technology. I hope you can apply all these steps with confidence. See you in the next video. In the last video, I've shown you how to select high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. In this video, we'll dig deeper into the process of selecting high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. Plus, I want to show you a simple way of getting approved by a product vendor even if you're a complete newbie. This is because Product Creator have the ability to check an affiliate's credentials, and thus they might just rely on your new stats when deciding whether to allow you to promote for them or not. So I'm teaching you how to overcome these particular dilemmas in this video as well. First, let's go back to warriorplus.com. Click on Affiliates and then Offers on this page. On this page, you'll see the latest affiliate offers inside Warrior Plus. On the right side of the page, you can see the number of sales that I've gotten to the products I've promoted. On the other hand, these notification signs that you see are for new offers that just launched. When you visit the page, you can see all these different details like product vendor, launch date, sales conversion rate, etc. Now we have to look at two important things. Number one, take your cursor over here where you can see the red oval with dollar signs. These are the top 1% vendors. You can also see gold ovals with dollar signs. These are the top 5% vendors. This means these vendors are really making big sales and they should be on top of your list. Number two, check how many sales they've got. If they have 500 plus sales, it is converting very well. Then look at their conversion rate over here. Anything which is above 12% is considered very well. Even 10% is fair enough. So you have to choose offers which are converting above 10 to 12%. Next, check their visitor value, and it must be more than $1. So again, you have to look at these parameters. Number one, check the 1 to 5% vendors. Only promote these legit sellers who are promoting or launching good offers all the time. Then the sales should be at least 500 plus, and the conversion rate should be 12%. Let's say the sales are just a 50 plus or 100, but the conversion is 20%. Then that is still good. This just means that a new product which is just launched maybe a few hours back. Anything above 12% conversion rate is good. The higher, the better. Another thing you should be checking is the visitor value, which should be $1 plus. You'll notice all the offers at the top of the list have fulfilled these criteria. So once you've checked the above, the next step is to click the Request button for these offers. Once you do that, it will take you to a particular page, and then you have to click on the Request Approval button. You can also click View Sales Page and have a look at their preview. If you are a complete newbie and don't have credentials, there's one thing you can do. Click the vendor's name and you can already see his profile. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see Connected Accounts. Let's click on Facebook, and here is the complete ninja trick you can do as a newbie. When you are already on his Facebook account, message him saying that you're a new person in affiliate marketing, but you're building your list. You can also say, I have targeted traffic and aware of the importance of staying away from junk sources, so please allow me to promote your products. You can mention the name of your marketing mentor if it matters. Tell them you'll send them good traffic from the traffic sources which you can mention. You can also tell them you don't mind being set to delayed commission if you're okay with the terms. And if you want to go the extra mile, you could prepare your bonus page or review video in advance. This way, you're not only reaching out to the vendor and building rapport, you're also showing you've done your homework. So most of the time, they approve newbies like you. But if you don't do this and the vendor just sees your newbie account with 0 sales, they will not accept you 99% of the time. So follow these steps and you'll be able to select the highest converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And you'll also be able to get approved, ready to go and promote. In the next video, I'll show you another marketplace, aka Secret Affiliate Cash Vault number 2, where you can make money on a daily basis and how to select offers inside that marketplace. Welcome to another module. In the last videos, we've told you about one of my secret affiliate vaults, which is Warrior Plus. In this module, we'll talk about another affiliate marketing vault I use to make affiliate commissions. This one is called JVZoo. It's a very popular affiliate marketing website around the globe. The website is www.jvzoo.com, and I'm inside my own dashboard right now. Once you're inside JVZoo, you can register for a free account by inserting your PayPal and your required personal or business information. If you have any apprehensions regarding starting up your account, just go to the PDF guide once again. Now, the big question comes. How do you select the actual offers which are going to convert for you on JVZoo? First, you have to go to Marketplace and click on Top Sellers. Once you do that, JVZoo by default shows you all the top selling offers for today, yesterday, the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. You can be sure these are the high converting offers, and it's more likely they are going to work for you once you send in the right traffic. Another way is to go to Affiliates and you click on Find Products. Then JVZoo shows you all the top offers starting from the first day inside JVZoo. You can also sort them out by the launch date and you can see the offers in ascending order. You can see here all the offers. You are like inside the ocean of high converting affiliate offers, which you can promote for free and sometimes even keep 100% commissions. How cool is that? In the next video, I'll show you the simple trick on how you get approved inside JVZoo by the product vendors. This is very important for newbies who might get rejected. See you there. This is going to be one of the most important modules inside this course. This is where we discuss how to master marketing funnels as an affiliate. On your screen, you can see an image of how newbie marketers do affiliate marketing. They have their traffic source, which, for example, could be Facebook traffic or solo ads, all going directly to the offer. Of course, these affiliates make some money by doing this. But if this is the way newbie marketers do affiliate marketing, then how do pro marketers do it? Or better yet, how should you correctly be doing affiliate marketing? Here is how. Once you send traffic from any external sources, especially from a paid traffic like Facebook, PPC traffic, or solo ad traffic, you mustn't send it directly to your affiliate offer. Instead, you have to build a squeeze page in front of the affiliate offer. A squeeze page or email capture page is where you collect the leads of your traffic. They enter their email addresses in order to access the actual offer sales page. This way, you're building your email list and making money with affiliate offers at the same time. Don't worry, we have the details and examples of this process sorted for you in the next slides. Remember, I've shown you the affiliate secret vaults like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. You can select different affiliate offers from these marketplaces and start hitting them inside your list. Now, this is how a typical squeeze page looks like. This is one of my squeeze pages, and here's another link which I've made. Both are very effective in building my list. This squeeze page converts like 35 to 40%, which is way above the index standard. Remember these things when building a squeeze page. First, the headline must be short and sweet. Don't make a headline like 8 lines long. 3 to 4 lines is the max. Next, it must be congruent with the sales page or offer page. This is where most marketers go wrong. Your squeeze page must be similar to the actual sales page or the offer page. For example, if your sales page talks about $100 to $150 per day, it should be the same with your squeeze page. If not, the prospect will feel lost and just leave the page. Another thing is to avoid any kind of junk design. Make your design simple and neat. So if you want to build your list and make money in complete autopilot, start using this kind of funnel now. You could start with a single lead, and that could grow to thousands. Just send the traffic to the squeeze page first. Then you will definitely make money from the front end and from the list you are building. See you in the next video for more exciting affiliate marketing tips. In this module, I'm going to introduce you to the affiliate money producing machine. It's like you're just taking a few minutes of your day to work on something and boom, you make money on demand. Without doing this particular step as an affiliate marketer, you are literally leaving money on the table. This is how people make hundreds of dollars every day or thousands every month on demand. So let me introduce you to the world of autoresponders. An autoresponder is a program which stores your leads or emails which you collect as an affiliate marketer. And through a simple technique, you can broadcast your emails to the same leads and make money. Now here are some of the underlying advantages of an autoresponder. This is where the things become really exciting and intense, so listen carefully. Number 1, it helps you to automate your business. You don't have to remember any leads. You don't have to collect anything manually, and everything is stored automatically. Imagine if you have a list of 5,000 or 10,000 people. You just send an email blast and it goes to all of them inside their inbox, just like that. Next, you can be in touch with your prospects. Imagine if you have 10,000 customers or email leads. How can you be in touch with them without an autoresponder? That would be too much work to contact them one by one if you do it manually. Third, you can create follow-up emails at will. This serves to increase the effectiveness of a previous email. You can just send another email and you can be in touch with them in a single click, whenever you can. Fourth, you can build a high amount of trust. This is because at the moment someone receives emails from you, you are already building a bond or connection with the person, and they will feel valuable as well. Remember, trust factor is something which is immensely important when you want to make money online. Another advantage is you can track your business and list. You can see how much people are opening your emails, clicking your links, converting to sales, etc. Obviously, if you combine all the points above, not using an autoresponder literally means leaving money on the table. Now, this is the important thing. Once you start building a list, you will need to spend a few minutes working on it so you can start monetizing it. You could be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. Of course, it also depends on how you build your relationship with your list, what kind of value you provide, and what kinds of offers you promote. But the training which I'm teaching you is all proven and has been tested through time. This is how solopreneurs and big marketers alike have made money with affiliate promotions. So once you follow the training about selecting offers, the traffic, list, and audience building, you can be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. If you have an autoresponder with 1,000 lists, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, as simple as that. If someone asks what the most important asset of an affiliate marketer is, I'd say the answer is your list in an autoresponder. Inside the PDF of this course, I've given you the link to the autoresponder service I use. Personally, the two autoresponders I highly recommend are Auber and GetResponse. Just check their websites for current pricing and availability of trial accounts. So if you still don't have an autoresponder, get an account now. It will take you just about 5 minutes to fill up everything. Trial accounts are usually available for free, so you could check everything up. In the next video, I'll show you how to start creating a broadcast to promote your affiliate offers. Thank you so much. In this video, I will share with you my secret affiliate, Cash Vault number 1. I want to show you how I select offers from my secret vault, which makes me money every time. First, if you don't have a high converting offer, you can never make money with affiliate offers. So let's get started and I'll show you how the selection process is done. First, type in www.warriorplus.com in your browser. It's a simple website. If you haven't created your free account yet, please do so because this is where we are going to do our business. Once you're already inside Warrior Plus, you have to click on the Marketplace button. This is where you can see the offers which are launched on a daily basis. Now over here, let's click on Top Sellers. This is the place where Warrior Plus publishes their top sellers and the product they are offering. You can see their top sellers daily, yesterday, last 7 days, and 30 days ago. So you are sure that all the offers here are the highest converting products inside Warrior Plus. These offers are loved by customers. They are very high demand, and that's why these offers are seen on the page. which also means that we can be sure before sending any kind of traffic that these particular offers are going to convert for us. I'll show you an example by clicking on the number 1 product today. Let's take a look at the offer, how the sales page looks like, and all the information about the product you can find. At this point, your task is to do background check on which products you and your possible subscribers are most interested in. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more technique of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And then I'll teach you a technique on how to get approved by the product creator as the affiliate in Warrior Plus.